Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I use t-shirt material to make auto gele. So beautiful. So if you want to know how this is made with t-shirt material, please keep watching. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I also thank everyone that keep coming, all my subscribers that keep coming. Thank you so much. T-shirt material or polo material. The measurement is 20 inches by 24 inches. I will leave the link of how to sew band for auto gele or tuba cap in the description box. I'm going to mark. I have my marker here. This place is 24 inches. I'm going to mark 2 inches. This is 2 inches. And I will mark this side also 2 inches. Then on this side, I mark here 2 inches, 2 inches, and this side is also 2 inches. I'm going to mark here. This place is 20 inches. Then I will also mark 2 inches. And I will do the same here. I will mark this way. And this side, after finish marking, I will start. So I point, I'm going to, this way I'm going to sew together this place here and here, here and here, here and here, like that, where I mark. And this I'll sew this one to this place. I sew, double sew in tie. I will bring this one to this side, sew again in tie. I'm almost done. What I will do now is to go and sew. I will sew straight here. After sewing this is how it looks like. Bringing this inside, this rough edge, stitch here with thread and needle. Right side, or you can sew from the left side. I will tack from here. I will start from here. Gently with the cap, I will sew in between. I'm done sewing the back, so I'm sewing the front now. Sewing inside. You can see it's covered. Try to use a matching thread. I will tie very well before I cut the thread. This is the final look. See how beautiful it turns out. It is so beautiful. T-shirt material to make auto gele. Wow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please, as always, share this video to everyone. And happy Christmas in advance to you all. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.